welcome to the channel. Today we are doing experiments. So we are going to do a rocket first. So this is what we're doing. These are all the experiments. We're not doing the lemon one because we don't have a lemon. This is the ones that we're using for the rocket. Mommy already poured the vinegar in, so we are gonna start.
Use the small spoon and put a spoonful of baking soda into the hole at the bottom of the rocket.
Wait, what's the baking soda? This way?
Yeah.
Okay.
So that goes in the bottom of the rocket. Flip the rocket over, there's a hole in the rocket.
Okay.
Put it in there.
Okay, now what do I do?
Okay.
Add the vinegar.
Insert the rocket into the launch pad.
Yeah, like this?
So that's, yeah, but leave it standing up and put the rocket in the top. Okay, quick. Now shake it. Hold, no. Rocket in with, ah! Well, essentially that's what it would do, yeah. Here. Okay, let's.
Round two, so we're just gonna try this again. Okay? Because I actually did it wrong. Hey. Just shake it out. Mom, can you do it for me?
You can do it.
I can.
You don't have to shake it off, just dump it in.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, now
quickly.
quickly put it in and shake it the way I showed you. Quick.
Like this?
Yeah. Oh, let go. Okay, shove it in again. Or do you need me to do it? Maybe your hands aren't big enough.
I can't do it. This time Mommy do it because my hands are too little. So she's pouring the vinegar in. Then she's gonna put that ingredient in there. That's the ingredient, and that's the box that's in there. So she's gonna pour it in with a little spoon. Like this spoon. I'm so. Okay. What? Is it?
All right.
You ready? Do it!
Ah. Oh, I got myself in the eye.
Okay.
Okay. Woo!
Wow. Now it's on the floor.
Here it is.
I want to do it again.
Woo! So it looks like you can keep doing it for a little bit until the gas has died off now. So I got three rocket launches out of that.
Now we're doing the volcano. We have dish soap and food coloring. So which one? Guys,
Okay,
have to go to the bathroom. Now I'm back from the bathroom. We have the vinegar in here.
No, just wait. You're jumping the gun. Okay, put 2 teaspoonfuls of baking soda into the volcano.
So, how much of
baking soda?
Wait, this?
Yeah, the white stuff.
Okay, this spoon's in.
Oh.
Now we are back because my mom forgot to give me a teaspoon.
Okay, so 2 of those in the volcano.
Okay.
Okay, now put a few drops of the food coloring in the baking soda.
Okay.
Don't squeeze it, just kind of let it drop out.
Okay.
Okay, don't squeeze, just kind of. Okay, 3. Do 3 drops. Okay. Now, a few drops of soap. Just a few, not a lot. That's good, that's good.
Okay, now.
Okay, slowly, just wait till I finish reading. Slowly pour a teaspoon of vinegar into the volcano and watch it erupt with bubbly lava. Slow, oh! You can pour a little bit more. It says you can continue to pour more vinegar if you want.
Yes!
Okay.
More! Return.
Okay, that's the bottle right there.
Where?
Vinegar.
Right here?
Yeah.
One more.
That's kind of cool. So what did you learn?
Well, this is really cool.
No more vinegar.